JDF soldier killed in Papine while operating taxi. Decomposing body of a woman found floating in Black River. Dancehall artist gunned down in Kingston. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Investigations have been launched into the murder of a Jamaica Defense Force soldier Wednesday evening. He has been identified as Dean Simon of a Windsor Heights Spanish Town St. Catherine address. Reports are that Mr. Simon was shot dead while operating a taxi in the Papine area in St. Andrew sometime around 9:30 p.m. According to the head of the St. Andrew Central Police Division, Senior Superintendent Marlon Nesbitt, it is believed his killer posed as a passenger. SSP Nesbitt stated that investigators are still piecing the clues at the moment. The woman, whose body was unidentified, was found in section of Black River that runs through the community, the police stated. Initial investigations carried out by detectives have uncovered that the now deceased was not being recognized as being from the community. She was reportedly seen in the district on Saturday in the same area in the company of a man who was also not from the community. It was reported that around 5 p.m. Tuesday, residents saw the body and summoned the police. Lawmen who arrived on the scene stated that the woman appeared to be in her late 30s to early 40s. The police stated that she was seen face down in the water wearing a black bra, pink underwear, and a khaki-looking pants. The body had what appears to be a rose tattoo on the right ankle. The body was removed from the water with the assistance of the Santa Cruz Fire Department. Police stated that no marks of violence was observed on the body. The body was taken to the morgue for a post-mortem examination. A dancehall artist was shot and killed by unknown assailants at the intersection of Sandringham and Burlington Avenues in Kingston 10 on Wednesday morning. The artist Alqual, given name Emmanuel Eccleston, is of Lancaster Avenue, Kingston 10 address. Reports from the Halfway Tree Police are that about 1 a.m., residents heard explosions and summoned them. On arrival of the lawmen, Eccleston was seen lying on the ground with gunshot wounds. He was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead on arrival. Music industry insiders say they are shocked by the youngster's murder. No motive has yet been established for the killing.